So this is iPad 11 generation we have here, and we are opening this box. So let's unbox the iPad 11 generation. So we got this for around like $299 plus tax would be around 349 we got. Sorry, 329. So totally we paid $330. Okay. So here we go. We have the iPad 11 generation. Okay, so let's look what inside the box we have. See, we get a user manual where the instruction would be there, so how to like use the iPad. Also we'll get a USB type cable, uh which is type C to type C, so you can see here. Okay, and also we'll get an adapter in this. It's not for extra cost, like it's the free one what we get in the iPad 11 generation. All right, so let's look the handset itself. So I'm opening the box. So it's a crazy moment, when we open the cover of any electronic device. Okay, so one, two, three. Oh, all right. See, this is the blue color. Okay, and it's the front one. So let's boot the screen. Okay, so let's start. 1 2 3. Let's go. Oh, the famous Apple logo. That's the reason we bought this. Yeah. Ah. All right, we have done with the unboxing. So let me know how was the unboxing. Also, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section. All right. So this is Kulkarni Rohan from Chicago. Bye.